I got my Ipsy Glam bag and my Boxycharm by Ipsy box for PR. My kid is right there, so I'm gonna do my Ipsy Glam bag first, and then my next video you'll see the Boxycharm by Ipsy. So just in case you wanted to see either one. So I do get this in PR. I don't get to make my selection, so pretty bag usual. And then this is the bag this month. I also posted spoilers this past week. This is the March box, super early, February 24th. So some of these products I did not see in my spoilers. So first we have from By Row, New York, or it's tea, I don't know if it's tea time. I think it's By Row, New York. This is their tea time apple matcha tea clear and cleanse, clearing toner. It looks so cool and pretty, very March. If you're interested in Ipsy Boxycharm spoilers and unboxings and vegan and cruelty-free content, I would click subscribe and click like, because that's what all I post is vegan and cruelty-free content. This reminds me of like Bath and Body Works from, I don't know, it hits some nostalgia vibes. I'm a 90s, 2000s kid. But this reminds me of Bath and Body Works, just like the packaging, and also Physicians Formula, which they sell in China, so they are not cruelty-free. But this is Beauty Creations Coconut Mango Setting Spray. Look at this like little spray right there. We go. Let me see if it smells like that. Yeah. Ooh, it's very light, but it smells like vacation-y. More some vanilla cinnamon, but like it smells really good. Whatever it is, it smells really good. And the spray is very like very fine. Ooh. And then this is Shades by Sean, The Life of the Party, Volume 2 from the High Rise and After Dark Parties, After Dark palettes. Super cute, kind of color poppy, not in a bad way. And then this also, see, help us raise the next generation. A portion of proceeds from this purchase goes to help single parents in need through the Mama Berries Foundation, 501c3. I was a single mom very briefly, but my mom was a single mom. And there's a lot of mamas and parents in general struggling. Single parents are not, but you know, I think it's awesome, like for proceeds to go to a really good organization, charity, foundation. That is the palette. I think it's really cute. I don't think I'm gonna get a lot of use out of this because I don't really like quads. That's just me. But if this is like your one and done palette, which I don't. I use a lot of palettes, a lot of eyeshadows. I'm wearing actually a lot of singles today and a palette. But I think this is really cute. It's gonna go to one of my friends or family that is gonna get better use out of it than me. And then, you know, certain time maybe we'll do a giveaway. Whenever I get monetized, I will do a giveaway. And then we have from Tatcha, the Dewy Skin Cream. Super cute. I love the purple. Just bougie. Barely any product, but like, this is barely any product, but like Tatcha's outside of my price range for skincare, at least right now in my life. So, but it's always nice to try a little thing. I already swatched it because I did this on my TikTok. I don't know why this doesn't say the shade, but this is a lip liner by Elman Beauty. I need to check that it's vegan. It had the ingredients on the plastic part, kind of weird. And it didn't come in like a box like most lip liners do. It had a lot of plastic. This is the Elman Beauty So Sophisticated Lip Liner. And I did swatch it right there. It's like a nude. And then there's no color on any of the packaging at all. There is the tip. So that is what I got in my Ipsy Glam bag. Let me know what you guys chose. Choices already happened. I only paid for the Boxycharm by Ipsy as well as getting it at PR. So if you want to see that video, that will be next, my PR one. So if you enjoyed this video, please give it a thumbs up, subscribe, and I'll see you in the next one. Stay healthy, safe, and do something that makes you happy.